Hey you guys, are you in need of a new look? Have you been thinking about a new haircut but you're not quite ready to commit? Well, I'm going to show you how you can accomplish that same look without the commitment in just 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how we went from this to this in 5 minutes. So keep watching. Welcome back, you guys. So I have another makeover video for you all. So we have our model here, Miss Aaliyah.
Hi.
And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe below. We're going to be doing an extension service, but she wants a new look and she wants a new haircut, but she doesn't want to commit to the haircut just yet. We want to go ahead and do an extension service and cut the extensions to give her that look so she can decide if this is something she wants to commit to in the future. Tip number 1, anytime you're thinking about doing a new look, it's always important to maybe test it out on either a wig or an extension service before actually committing to an actual cut that you don't know if you're going to do. And also, this also applies to people who are looking to get a color. You may not want to go ahead and color your hair right away, but you may want to try it out just to see how it's going to look. So it's always great to use some type of extensions or a wig to see how you're going to look before doing that. We're going to begin with her service. So what we're going to do first, we already put leave-in conditioner in her hair to soften her up. We've already deep conditioned her, so her hair is nice and soft and ready to go. We're going to blow dry her up first. Then we're going to braid her up. And after we're completed braiding, we're going to put a net on her hair to protect it. And then we're going to start with her extension service. Now that we have her all blow dried out, we've applied her moisturizer. Now we're going to begin with her braiding.
Look at what you did.